Outspoken ZANU-PF activist and critic of President Emmerson Mnangagwa, Saibeth Musengezi, has renewed his calls for accountability, demanding the arrest of controversial businessman Chivhayo over allegations of looting public funds. Sanapenda mashoko kudai panapa achiononyokonzi aiwa, these are fresh calls arikuya panapa achipushwa for the arrest Chivhayo. Nhau dzake dzinozikana kunzi kuSouth Africa panguva ino inhau dziri under investigation. Notable subscribe or like on the bell like Chiti. Speaking to journalists in Harare recently, Musengezi claimed he was forced to abandon his court challenge against Mnangagwa's ascension to ZANU-PF leadership due to ongoing harassment and intimidation in courts. I didn't drop the case willingly. I was targeted, followed, harassed. They made my life extremely difficult, but I still maintain Mnangagwa is not the legitimate leader of ZANU-PF, Musengezi said. He also criticized the Zimbabwe's Anti-Corruption Commission, accusing it of being ineffective and compromised, especially when it comes to investigating high-profile figures linked to the ruling elite. ZAC is captured. It cannot touch anyone close to first family. That's why corruption is thriving, because the powerful are untouchable, he said. Musengezi didn't hold back when it came to Chivhayo, saying, Chivhayo must be arrested. He and others like him have looted state resources with impunity, while ordinary Zimbabweans suffer. The activist was briefly detained recently after attempting to host a press conference, but was later released. His arrest has sparked further criticism from civil society over the government's continued crackdown on dissent. Thomas Kwanamuda panapa tiona kuti aiwa Musengezi panguva ino nemafresh calls adziti aiwa vana Chivhayo ava aiwa vakomana ava vanyaso kukonzeresa aiwa kuti vanhu vave nepoverty and starvation, vanhu panguva ino vaomerwe neupenyu noda kwokuti aiwa they are just capturing all the sources of income and the taxpayers money vachipoketa zvavo. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi pina comment section yedu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.